Need to update your DNS records in GoDaddy? Whether you're pointing your domain to a new website or setting up email, I'll show you how to update your DNS records quickly and easily in this video. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Find your domain name and click Manage DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page. Here, you'll see a list of your current DNS records, including records, names, MX records, and more. To update a record, locate it in the list and click the pencil icon next to it. For example, to update your record to point your domain to a new server, enter the new IP address provided by your hosting provider. If you're setting up email, you'll likely need to update your MX records. Your email service provider will give you the correct values to enter. After making the changes, click Save. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to propagate globally, so be patient. Need to add a new DNS record? Scroll down and click Add to create a new record, name, TXT, or MX record. Enter the required information and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your DNS records in GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and tutorials.